Hey YouTube, this is the engine of a 2001 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Is the 4-liter inline 6, and today we're going to change the spark plugs in this Jeep. The spark plugs are located under this cover here. There are 3 coil packs and 4 13mm bolts holding this in place. What we got to do is remove these bolts. There are 4 of them. There's one way in the back that you could barely see, and this pops the coil packs off. When you pop the coil packs off, you have access to the spark plugs. So let's get to it. Let's try to do this. These are tighter than I thought. 2. I'll run them out after. The last one in the corner is a little bit tricky to get. It's all the way in the back. Alright, they're all cracked. We can run them out now. It's hard to get the last one, so we're supposed to be able to just pop this off now. There we go. This just slides out. And we may have to pop these hoses out of place a little bit, just to get a little bit of working room. And there we go. It exposes all 6 spark plugs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here's one of the old plugs. If you look real carefully, you can see the plug's not really that worn, it's not really that bad, but the gap is pretty big on it. We're gonna go ahead and change them. This Jeep has 127,000 miles on it, and plugs have never been changed. We're gonna pull the other 5 out. So the number 6 plug is a real pain to get to. You have to really angle your wrench up in there. And let me zoom back out so you can see how the wrench is angled in there to get this out. We're gonna go ahead and work this out. I'm working this by myself, so I gotta put the camera down. So here are the 6 plugs that came out from our Jeep. We're gonna replace them with these Autolite Platinum plugs. Line them up and see how they look next to the bad ones. Just a quick look at a couple of the new ones next to the old ones, and you can see they're not really worn that bad, but the gapping is pretty much off. By putting these back on with the proper gapping, the vehicle should run a whole lot better and a whole lot smoother. I'm going to start with number 6 plug from all the way in the back because that's the hardest one to get to. Now let's do the rest. Now we gotta put this rail back on, and these hoses get in the way. As long as you have the boots lined up with the plugs, you should press right in. And we should be able to put these in now. Which unfortunately got fuel. Last one. And take the hole out. Still more plastic, it's just a little plastic nozzle. Okay, the only thing now to do is give them a test start. Test them out. Alright, there you go. Running nice and smooth. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless.